Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to redeem gift card online on Gamestop. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Gamestop, click the register or sign up option, and from there, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, if you are new on GameStop, basically they offer physical gift cards and which are sold on the Gamestop.com website and in the US GameStop stores, all right? Now, they also have the online gift cards wherein it can be delivered via the first class US mail within 1 to 2 weeks, wherein the digital gift certificates are sold on the Gamestop.com and can be redeemed online, all right? Just like this one. For example, you're planning to purchase this Happy Father's the GameStop or any other gift card here in GameStop. You can see that you can select a physical card, all right? And again, if you are using the physical card, it needs to be delivered via the first class US mail. If you don't prefer that, of course, you can continue with the digital card. The thing is, you can put any amount like $25, $50, $100, or a custom amount. For example, you wanted to put in like 500 or 1,000. It doesn't matter, right? Now, you can choose a design. It could be Happy Father's Day, Dance Got Game, You've Leveled Up, and a lot more to choose from here. It's up to you, all right? Happy Birthday, and good luck, and a lot more. Now, of course, you need to put in the recipient's name, recipient's email address, the sender name, which is you, and of course, an optional message. That is the same case when you put in the physical card. You just have to design here, put in your custom amount, and that's that. After that, all you have to do is check out, and then you can use the card to purchase basically anything from baseball to shop collectibles and a lot more. All right, for example, we're heading to a basketball right now, and I'm going to choose the gift card specifically to probably like LeBron James Panini Excalibur Crusade. That's like $84.99. But I'm just going to pick a random item here. Right, so these are the details. If you wanted to give it to your dad or to someone, to your partner, to your colleague, to your boss, to your friends, partner, click the add to cart. Just wait for a little bit. Now from here, all you have to do is view cart and check out. And as you can see, you have the option to enter the promo code if you wanted. Now, once you are here, all you have to do is click on the payment and you should be able to have an option that says add a gift card. All right. And be ready with the gift card number. And after doing so, all you have to do is save and continue, place order, and that's that. Alternatively, you can also go to your account wherein you can access the dashboard. You see, you have the reward center here. All you have to do is click on the payment. And what will happen is you need to add a payment method. Now from here, all you have to do, you can add in a credit or power up rewards credit card. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.